Okay, let's do the Chapter 6 quiz homework. All right, so these four are going to ask which one of these is incorrect, which is, so we have to find which one of these has the incorrect note. Pretty easy, we can just kind of do the same thing we've been always doing. Key of F has what? Key of F has one flat. Flat is B flat. So there's no B flat here. That's wrong. So that's the wrong note. All right. We have E flat. E flat has four sharps. Four sharps are F, C, G, and D. All right, we have the F. Well, no C. We got the G and we got the D. No C. So it must be 6 is the wrong note. All right, third one is B flat. B flat's got two flats. B flat and E flat. So B flat and no E flat. It's supposed to be an E flat there. That's the wrong note. All right, key of B is 5 sharps. 5 sharps are F, C, G, D, and A. So we have an F, G, C. There's no D. There's an A. It's supposed to be a D sharp in there. So that's the wrong one. All right, this one wants you to write the scale and the key signature of it. That's pretty much what we've always been doing. The B flat, it's got two flats. It's got B flat, E flat. So let's just write the notes here. Here's your E flat. Here's your B flat, B flat, E flat. All right, that's E. E's got 4 sharps. 4 sharps are F, C, G, and D. So let's write these out first. So F, C, G, and D. So there's the key signature. All right. So now we're in chapter 6B. All right, so let's go with G flat. G flat. G flat has 6 flats. 6 flats are maybe I'll put it over here. B, E, A, D, G, C. All right, so we have G flat, A flat, B flat, C flat, D flat, and E flat. We don't see an F flat. Not supposed to be a flat there. All right, key of D flat. D flat has 5 flats. 5 flats this time, so B, E, A, D, G. So that's 5 flats. We got a D flat. We have an E flat. We have nothing on F. We have a G flat, A flat, B flat. There is no C flat. It's not supposed supposed to be a flat there. Number 3. Key of A. A's got 3 sharps. 3 sharps are F, C, and G. F, C, and G. We have an F sharp. We have a G sharp. We got a C sharp. Nope, we do not have a D. There's your answer. All right, C sharp. C sharp's got 7 lovely sharps here. Okay, so it's all of them. All right, so let's go through this. All right, so we have an F, C, G, D, A, E, B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so let's go through this. So we have a C sharp, a D sharp, an E sharp, an F sharp, and a G sharp, and an A sharp, and a supposed to be a B sharp. There's your 7. All right, so let's do the major scale down here. There's A. A's got 3 sharps. 3 sharps. 1, 2, 3. F, C, and G. F, C, and G. All right, so let's make the F, C, and G. All right. D flat. D flat's got 5 flats. So let's do this. All right, 5 flats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got to include a G. So let's get a B flat in there. Let's get an E. Let's get an A. Let's get a D. Let's get a G. B, E, A, D, G. All right. All right, so they want A flat in treble clef and bass clef. So let's do this. All right, so they want A flat, so let's put A flat there, put A flat there. All right, A flat's got what? A flat's got 4 flats. 4 flats are B, E, A, D. Let's put them here. B, E, A, D. So let's get a B. Let's get an E. A is already there. Let's put a D there. All right, they want an A. Want A major. All right, A major. 3 sharps. F, C, and G. F, C, and G. All right, so let's go to an F, let's do a C, and a G. Dominant of the G, remember you go up 5 from it. So G, A, B, C, D. E flat, B, E flat, F, G, A, E flat. I won't ask you dominant or tonic on the test. Now these, I'm also not going to ever ask. In the United States, we name the notes by letters, A, B, C, D, F, G. In other places, they use, some places in Europe, they use fixed do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. You know, the 6th degree, 2nd degree, you know, 5th degree, 1st degree, 3rd degree. These are always going to be fixed do. They're always going to be this. You know, the 6th degree is always going to be la. The 2nd degree is always going to be re. The 5th degree is always sol. Do is the first one, and mi. So if you know that song, do a deer, female deer, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, that's what this is. I'll never ask this, but that's what they are. If you learn how to do sight reading, sometimes you'll do fixed do, or sometimes you'll do what's called movable do, where the first do is going to be for the key, and you use do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do when you do that. That's movable do, depending on what key it is. Fixed do is what a lot of other cultures use to name these. So here's like 3rd degree, 4th degree, 7th degree, 1st degree, 5th degree. So that's going to be a mi, fa, a ti, a do, and so. So that's what those are. As I said, not going to ever ask those on the test. All right, so let's do this last one. Key of G. Key of G. It's got 1 sharp. Let's write this up. There's the F sharp. I'll put the F sharp in the key signature. All right, key of E. Key of E is 4 sharps. 4 sharps are F, C, G, and D. Let's put them in here. C, G, and D. All right, so let's do the scale here. There's E, there's the F, G, A, B, C, D, E. All right, so we need an F sharp, we need a C sharp, and a G sharp, and a D sharp. Dominant of C sharp, you're going up, you know, C, D, E, F, G. That's the key signature will be G sharp. Dominant of A is the 5th of A, B, C, D, E will be E. And this is the 4th scale degree, so that's going to be a Fa. This is a 2, so that's Re. That's 1, that's Do. This is the 7th, so that's T. So it's based on and this is so that's the 5th degree. This is what's called movable do. All right. So do is, you know, the key of it in F sharp. So that's what that is. So if you were sight singing this, you would sing that. And the last one, just for giggles, is the key of what? It's the key of F, So that's the third degree, so that's mi. That's a sixth scale degree, so it's a la. This is a fifth scale degree, so it's sol. Fourth, so it's fa. This is seventh, so it's ti. That's it. I'm not gonna ever ask that. All right, so that's it for the homework quiz. And I will see you in the next video.